Good morning. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the weekly analysis for today, the 6th of January until the 13th of the first month of 2013. You're watching the weekly chart. Last week, long range candlestick, very powerful message. Buyers in full control of the situation at the moment. The next target for this new particular candlesticks is to penetrate $1,068 mark. And after this, obviously, we still got room and space to penetrate the top tails, which are less difficult to penetrate than the bodies of the candlesticks. Right now, the powerful situation we see so far is bringing more and more volume to the market, and is possibly the $1,242 mark, which are the historical highs, can be reached by the price anytime soon. Just don't forget, we are overextended on the daily chart. Unfortunately, based on my trading plan and my methodology, I cannot recommend you any entries in this particular time frame. It's already overextended. We have more than 8 days on a big rally. Right now, the currency itself, the price itself, have enough space. There is no obstacles whatsoever in this left hand side for the currency towards once again the historical highs. However, we need to understand and make sure that we're not going to jeopardize our trades, and we minimize our risk as much as we can. What can we see at this point during the course of the week? Possibly corrections towards new higher lows for the daily, or potentially just overextended trends with no stops whatsoever, and buyers pushing the price as much as they can. And obviously some of the newbies or some of the late traders, they just gonna buy as much as they can and try to drop it with maybe $5, $10, $20 profit and leave it as it is. But at this point, we cannot recommend you right now anything from the daily chart, because to be honest with you, there is no opportunities at the moment that we can say there is less risk to go in and buy. Right now there is nothing, and there's no patterns whatsoever that we can recommend you. Some of the traders at the moment, they're using 60-minute chart and 15-minute chart, looking for margins between $5 and $10, and then they get out of the trades as soon as possible. That's basically the situation that it can happen during the course of the day, and possibly during the night as well. What happens next during the course of all this week is potentially the visit to 1,242 mark. It's something that we definitely need to take into consideration. Right now we are in 1,052, and buyers are still in full control. Last but not least, this is the 3-day chart that I want to show you once again. After this situation, visiting the top tail of this long range candlestick, there is no more obstacles for the currency. After the currency reaches 168, it can definitely go for one more situation, which is in 1,103. But if this area does not create any reaction for the currency itself, the sky is the limit, and the sky right now is saying the 1,242 is possible for the price. Buyers in full control. So let's pay attention. Some opportunities will come along. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day and a successful week trading Bitcoin. Goodbye.